my name is Jen. I'm a broker for a real estate company, and I would rate Avail a 5. So when we were looking at different programs to use for our rental company, we decided to go with Avail because it not only gave us all the tools that we needed to connect with our tenants, but it gave the tenants an opportunity to pay online, which is a lot easier than sending it through the mail. The ultimate reason we decided to go with Avail is because they're awesome customer service. When I needed something, I could easily get a hold of them, and my favorite part is they can take care of me totally online, and they don't send me to a 1-800 number when I have problems. Avail was so easy to sign up for. It only took me about 10 minutes to get completely on board, and I think it only took about a day or two to get my bank account set up. So within a week, I was ready to receive payments to my bank account from my tenants, and all of my tenants have been able to sign on and include their bank account for easy, swift payment. So the reason I chose Avail is because I, one, liked the cost that it was per unit, and two, I knew that my business was never going to go bigger than what Avail would handle. So if you're a smaller rental company that wants to just take care of maybe 20 or 30 houses, Avail gives you an easy dashboard that you can watch all of your tenants' payments come in. You can track all of your maintenance, and you even have a snapshot of everything when you first pull up the dashboard, so you don't have to go into individual houses in order to see what's going on. It makes it very easy to keep up with multiple properties at the same time without being too confusing.